Okay, so another Math Olympiad question. For A to the B equals 343, B to the C equals 10, and A to the C equals 7. Find B to the B. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's now solve this. So we start with the first equation. We have A to the B equals 343. We can express 343 in exponential form. We have A to the B that is equal to 343. So that is equal to 7 cubed. 7 times 7 is 49 times another 7. That is equal to 343. And now, as you can see, we have A to the C equals 7. Therefore, we can replace this 7 by this equation A to the C equals 7. So therefore, we have A to the B is equal to replace 7 by A to the C. So we have A to the C and then cube. Okay, A to the C and then cube. And then we have two exponents, just multiply. So therefore, A to the B is equal to A to the 3C. Okay, so now we have same base. Since both the base are A, therefore, we can equate the exponent. So therefore, B is equal to 3C. Okay? Since B is equal to 3C, so we have the second equation, B to the C equals 10. But the value of B or the value of, let's get the value of C because we want to find B to the B. So we already have the base B. So let's substitute the value of C using this equation, B equals 3C. So solving the value of C, divide both sides by 3. Therefore, the value of C is B over 3. Now substitute this to the second equation, B to the C is equal to 10, but the value of C is now B over 3. So we have B over 3. To get the value of B to the B, last step, to eliminate this 3, we can raise both sides of this equation by 3. Cube both sides so that this 3 will cancel out. So therefore, B to the B is equal to 10 cube. That is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1,000. Therefore, B to the B is equal to 1,000. The correct answer is letter A. That's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Facebook, RJ Enseñado. If you have math question, just send me a message. Bye-bye and God bless.